Hello everybody, I'm delighted to have Ralf here with us at the SAP Academy for Engineering. Ralf, thank you so much for being with us.
Thanks for having me.
Ralf has been almost 30 plus years with SAP. He jokingly calls himself the CIO, which stands for Career is Over. But Ralf is passionate about sharing his knowledge to the next generation. And I can tell you the 3 days that he has spent with the engineers here today was both insightful and fascinating. So Ralf, my first question to you is, what would be your advice to the engineers of the future?
Well, definitely listen to customers. We lost somehow the connection to customers, especially in development. So my advice would be our engineers should be more closer to the customer, to understand what they are doing, to listen what they are doing, because we learn every time from customers. They are basically our drivers, as well as they invent and optimize new solutions and processes and stuff like that. SAP can't do this. We don't have that knowledge. The knowledge as a customer, and we deliver solutions for customers. So that's why it's so important to put the customer first.
Yeah.
And I hear it quite often, put the customer in the center of everything. Well, do it, not just say it.
Fascinating. Tell me a little bit, you had such a long career. If there was one piece of advice that you had given to your younger self, we all say we are smart in retrospect, right? But if there's one piece of advice that you'd given your younger self, what would that be?
Well, stay curious, that's for sure. And that's one thing, and never give up. Plus, when I would have known things like emotional intelligence, I think that's very important from my point of view, because I learned it the hard way, learning by burning. I have a better understanding now what that means, but the emotional intelligence, and how to read and work with so many different cultures and so many different teams effectively. This is not easy, and that's definitely would be a part of me. I'd like to. When I would have the chance, I would teach those kind of things to me, instead of learn it the hard way.
Fantastic. Just so that that's one of the core things we try to share with our engineers here at the Academy.
Wonderful.
Finally, maybe, we live in a world of rapid change. We call it exponential changes, and we are, today at the Singularity University campus. So tell me, how can you remain positive in a world where things are changing so quickly and almost all of us are kind of struggling to catch up?
I mean, what fascinates me is to see how our customers try to make the world better. And if we can help our customers with solutions to run better, to run more efficient, sustainable and all that stuff, this really motivates me to keep going and to pass on my knowledge to the next generation. And I'm always humbled and fascinated to see young colleagues, what they can do, and they are on the right path moving forward. And this keeps me motivated to see, we are helping customers to do a better job, trying, to run better.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Ralf. All the best, and we look forward to having you again.
Thank you very much.
Take
Appreciate
care.
it.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you. Thank you.